Today, I want to talk to you about the 5 most common mistakes when taking the medication Ozempic. Ozempic is a diabetes medication that's now being commonly used as a weight loss drug. And if you don't want to look like a wet paper bag after losing all this weight on Ozempic, then you're going to want to stay tuned to the very end of the video where I share mistakes number 4 and 5 to help prevent this problem. Mistake number 1 is not being prepared for the potential side effects of Ozempic: nausea, vomiting, severe abdominal pain, and diarrhea and constipation. And mistake number 2 is when you come off the medication, your appetite returns, and most of these patients will regain that body fat back once they stop the medication. And mistake number 3 is not appreciating that every drug that you take could have a long-lasting consequence that we may not know about. And now for tips 4 and 5. If you don't want to look like a wet paper bag, these will be the most important tips in this video. Mistake number 4. So it's extremely important when you take Ozempic and you're losing body fat, you need to keep a really high protein intake to try to preserve as much of that muscle as possible so that when you lose that weight, you will have the best look possible. And lastly, mistake number 5, neglecting strength training. So when you're on Ozempic, losing a lot of body fat is super important to try to force your body to maintain the muscle that it currently has. And you do this by strength training. Your body is forced to hold on to that muscle in this calorie deficit situation that your body has entered into.